Want to grow your own crunchy cucumbers at home? The joy of nurturing cucumbers from tiny seeds to robust vines is unparalleled, and it all starts with selecting high-quality seeds. From refreshing slicing cucumbers to pickling varieties, each offers unique characteristics. Remember, a great cucumber harvest begins with great seeds. Now let's get down to business, planting your cucumber seeds. Begin with well-prepared soil, rich in organic matter. Create rows or hills depending on your space. But remember, cucumbers need room to grow, so keep them about 3 feet apart. Plant your seeds about an inch deep, not too shallow, not too deep. Once they're in, water them gently but thoroughly. Spacing and depth are key here for healthy growth. With your seeds in the ground, you're one step closer to a bountiful cucumber harvest. Your seeds are planted, but what comes next? Cucumbers crave regular watering, so make sure they're never thirsty. Sunlight is their best friend, bathing them in life-giving rays. But beware of pests and diseases, they're cucumbers' worst enemies. Be vigilant and act quickly at the first sign of trouble. And don't forget, cucumbers are a vine plant. They'll need a sturdy support structure to climb and spread their leaves. With proper care and attention, your cucumber plants will thrive. In no time, you'll see your cucumbers ready for harvest. To ensure maximum crunchiness and flavor, pick them when they're medium-sized, firm, and brightly colored. Regular picking is key. It encourages further growth. Soon, you'll be enjoying the fruits of your labor, crisp, homegrown cucumbers. So, are you ready to grow your own crunchy cucumbers? Let's recap. Start by selecting high-quality seeds. Next, plant your seeds in a sunny, well-drained spot. Remember, your cucumbers need regular care and maintenance, including watering and pest control. And finally, harvest your cucumbers when they're green and firm. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!